He almost didn't go. He stood at the door of that small, crumbling house for a long time, long enough to feel the cold settle into his hands, long enough to rehearse every reason to walk away. The boy who answered was exactly what he expected. Crossed arms, a jaw set hard against the world, eyes that had already decided to hate everything that knocked on that door. The warrior said nothing about the debt. He just said he would come back in the morning to help with the wood. He did. The boy was rude, ungrateful, bitter in the way only someone who has lost everything too early can be. And the warrior showed up again, and again, not because it felt good, not because the boy deserved it, but because a man he never knew had chosen, in one silent second, to spend his life so that someone else could keep theirs. Honor is not about the people who make it easy. It is about what you do when every part of you wants to leave. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.